Hi Scorpio, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of March 2021. Let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. Wow, you've got the Devil energy, and this is Scorpionic energy. Oopsie. Okay, I'll take all of them. The card at the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. Scorpio, the energy that I'm getting here are new and old love energies. Even though you are transforming, working on your finances, your mental health, emotional stability, there is something that is holding you back when it comes to love. You miss someone, someone misses you. And because this is not a gender specific reading and it's a general reading, roles can be reversed, energies are fluid, and whoever this person is that misses you right now wants to offer you a new beginning. They see you, Scorpio, they see how beautiful you are and how kind you were to them and how you were all right. You did not, yes, there were fights and you just let go. You were all right with loving them from far while they left. But good news is coming your way. If you have applied to a college or a university, you're going to be hearing from them very soon about your application. Lots of communication coming your way. But this period where you have to wait for this communication is making you feel defeated and on the edge. You feel stuck, you're not being able to concentrate on anything, but don't worry. It's all changing because you've got the world card. Your reading started with the world card. You're going to be getting a beautiful closure, something that you truly deserve. So don't um, attach yourself too much to the negativity. Somebody put you through a third party situation, or you put somebody through that. Scorpio. But whatever happened, there is going to be some kind of closure. Either you are going to give closure to somebody who's been waiting to hear from you, or vice versa. You are feeling stuck. You've got the Queen of Pentacles twice, once upright, once reversed. You really need to focus on what you want because holding on to the past is not going to serve you. Keep moving with the flow of life. Don't just stand and wait for things to happen. Sometimes, yes, certain things are beyond our control, but trying is not beyond our control. We can always try. If it doesn't work out, fine. Temptation and the Devil card. You got it twice. You could be overindulging in alcohol, some kind of addictions. So you need to stop that, Scorpio, because that is creating a blockage in your life. Heavy earth energies, you could be dealing with a Virgo, Taurus or Capricorn. But somebody wants to communicate to you the love and a new beginning. Probably an apology is coming your way. And you've got the Queen of Pentacles thrice. Wow. Good news is coming your way. And if you are feeling defeated and you're feeling as if you have to struggle and it's a great effort to communicate with people, I suggest isolate yourself for some time, meditate and do your own thing so that you can get the energy back to face people, life, work. You need to sometimes be a little detached from people just to rebuild yourself. Scorpio, let's see some extra messages for you. These may or may not be directly related to your tarot. Lot of movements, whatever you've been waiting for is coming your way. Number 3 and 10 could be important. For some of you, you could be dealing with somebody who's into the Navy. You're ready. Wow. Don't worry about things. They're working in your favor, Scorpio. You are gifted. You're very intelligent and talented and never doubt your capacities and capabilities. You need to see potential in yourself and your dreams so that you can work towards achieving them. You need to calm yourself down, Scorpio. Pause, think, contemplate. Number 4 could be important. As I mentioned earlier, sometimes you just need to detach yourself. You've got the Hanged Man here in your tarot, and you've got the Pause card, which are similar in nature. Prosperity lies ahead. A new start is coming. Adjustments are required. Don't let your past hold you back. Oh my God, wow. Movements. Believe in the impossible. See potential in your situations. You've got all new moons, and a Taurus person could be important to you. Or you could have Taurus in a major placement in your natal chart. Oneness is my true nature. You could be dealing with a Libra because Libra got the exact same card. Scorpio, I dedicate this beautiful clear quartz to you so that you get the clarity that you truly deserve right now, you truly need right now. And I hope only the best finds its way to you. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Scorpio. Thank you for watching. Bye.